Hello, my dear students. How many of you are following the instructions given by the government to fight against COVID-19? All of you. Very good. Then we are using mask, sanitizer and keep social distancing. Now I am here to teach you the lesson Who Did Patrick's Homework? It's an interesting story. Do you remember the story? Yes. Patrick is the central character in the story. He hated to do homework. Then what was his wish? His greatest wish was to play games like Nintendo, football, etc. One day, he noticed that his cat was playing with a doll. But it was not a doll. It was a man of the tiniest size. The little man asked Patrick to save him from the cat. The little man also offered to grant him a wish. Patrick saved him from the cat. Then Patrick asked the little man to do all the homework till the end of the semester, so that he would get A1 in all subjects. The little man did not like to do homework, yet he agreed. But while he was doing homework, he always needed the help of Patrick. Listen, all of you take your literature reader, page number 9. Before beginning, please listen the words written here. Sweet gave a short, high-pitched cry. Sweet gave a short, high-pitched cry. Listen. Sweet gave a short, high-pitched cry. Next one. Nag, one who troubles someone. Next one. Kid, child. Slyly, secretively. Attitude, a feeling about someone or something. Listen, look at your test. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. Shrieked here means cried. That means the little man did not know how to do homework, especially maths. Then the elf shrieked. We elves never need that. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me, you simply must guide me. Then the little man asked Patrick to sit down near him and helped him and guide him. Elves know nothing of human history. The little man said, the elf said, then we don't know the human history. To them, it's a mystery, it's a secret. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Go to the library, I need books. More and more books. And you can help me read them too. That means the little man always needed the help of Patrick to do his homework. As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, that little elf was a nag. Nag means a person who always disturbing someone. Then, in every way, that little elf was a nag. Patrick was working harder than ever and was at a drag. That means the Patrick was working harder than ever for helping elf. He was staying up nights, had never felt so weary. Was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. That means he did not sleep at night. He always helped little man to do his homework. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. At last, the last day of the school was arrived. The elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more. That means the little man did all the homework for Patrick. So he quietly and slyly means secretively, slipped out of the back door. The little man secretively, slyly slipped out of the back door. Patrick got his A's His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. Then, thus, Patrick got A1 in all subjects. His teachers and parents smiled and appreciated him. His classmates were really amazed. His teachers smiled and appreciated him. He was now the model kid for all. Cleaned his room, did his chores, and cheerful. Never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he would make that tiny man to do all his homeworks. But I will share a secret just between you and me. It was not the elf, Patrick had done it himself. Then that means at the end, Patrick got A1 in all subjects. His friends, teachers and all appreciated him. Then Patrick thought that the little man did all the homework for Patrick. But in reality, Patrick did himself. Then listen, let's summarize the story. Then today we have seen the Patrick was always asking help from the elf to do his homework. Then the elf was doing homework for Patrick, especially maths. Then the elf did not know addition, subtraction and all, but so that he always needed the help of Patrick. Then Patrick did not sleep day and night. He was helping Patrick bring the book from library, reading words loudly. Then he was helping. Then at the end of the semester, the result was published. Patrick got A1 in all subjects. His friends were really amazed. His friends were really surprised or astonished. Why? Because he got A1 in all subjects. His teachers appreciated him. Patrick thought that the little man did all the homework for Patrick. But in reality, Patrick did himself. Okay, all of you understand the story? That means the little man always ready to help Patrick. But the little man did not know how to do maths. So it is the responsibility of Patrick to sit beside him and help him always. Then at the end of the semester, the result was published and he got A1 in all subjects. The result was published and he got A1 in all subjects. His friends were really amazed. His teachers appreciated him. Patrick thought that the little man did all the homework for him. But in reality, Patrick did himself. Then what do we learn from this story? This is an interesting story of Patrick. Then we learn that hard work is the key to success. What is the moral of the story? Hard work is the key to success. Listen, hard work is the key to success. The moral of the story is hard work is the key to success. All of you read the story 2 or 3 times. I will send you the notes through WhatsApp. Thank you all.